Welcome back to my channel. Most buyers had already found what they wanted. Only one corner of the yard remained untouched. 6 rusted tractors sat covered in dust, weeds growing around their tires. People walked past them laughing. They're only good for scrap. They'll never run again. Who would waste money on those? Standing quietly at the back of the crowd was Daniel Carter, a single dad raising his 11-year-old son, Noah. Daniel wasn't wearing an expensive suit. His faded work boots were covered in mud. His pickup truck had nearly 300,000 miles on it. But his eyes never left the old tractors. The auctioneer shouted. 6 abandoned tractors. Starting bid, $2,000. Nobody raised a hand. The crowd stayed silent. The auctioneer lowered the price. $1,000. Still nothing. Then Daniel slowly lifted his hand. I'll take them. The crowd burst into laughter. One farmer whispered loudly. He's buying 6 piles of rust. Another man laughed. That money would have been better spent on firewood. Even the auctioneer smiled. Sold. Daniel walked toward the tractors. His son Noah looked worried. Dad, are you sure? Daniel smiled. People only see rust. I see opportunity. They spent the next 3 days towing each tractor back to their tiny farm. Neighbors stood outside watching. One woman shook her head. Poor kid. His father has finally lost hope. Another farmer laughed. 6 broken tractors won't feed a family. Daniel ignored every comment. Every evening after working construction during the day, he repaired the tractors one bolt at a time. Noah handed him tools. Together they worked until midnight. Weeks passed. The first tractor started. Its old diesel engine roared back to life. Noah cheered. You did it. Daniel smiled. No. We did. Soon the second tractor ran. Then the third. News slowly spread across nearby towns. People who had laughed before now began stopping by. One local farmer asked. Can you repair mine too? Daniel politely refused. I'm busy rebuilding my future. Months later. All 6 tractors were working. But Daniel wasn't finished. Instead of selling them for quick money, he used them to lease abandoned farmland that nobody else wanted.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Enjoy the video.
Fields covered with weeds. Dry land. Broken fences. Everyone believed he was making another mistake. One banker even laughed during a loan meeting. Nobody becomes successful farming dead land. Daniel simply stood up. Thank you for your time. He walked away without another word. Over the next 5 years, Daniel slowly transformed hundreds of forgotten acres. He installed modern irrigation, used soil restoration methods, planted premium organic crops, built massive storage facilities. Every dollar he earned went back into the farm. His son Noah grew beside him, learning every machine and every field. Then something unexpected happened. A worldwide food shortage sent crop prices soaring. Large food companies desperately searched for reliable suppliers. Most farms couldn't keep up. Daniel could. Because years earlier, while everyone else chased easy profits, he had quietly prepared. Within months, his farm became one of the largest independent suppliers in the region. Television crews arrived. Agricultural magazines wanted interviews. The same neighbors who once laughed now waited outside his office asking for partnerships. Then one morning, a black helicopter landed in the middle of Daniel's farm. Everyone stopped working. A woman stepped out wearing an expensive business suit. She was the CEO of one of the country's biggest agricultural corporations. She looked across thousands of acres of healthy crops before turning toward Daniel. So, you're the man who bought those 6 rusted tractors? Daniel nodded. I am. The CEO smiled. I'd like to buy your entire farm. Daniel looked across the land he and his son had built together with years of sacrifice. Then he quietly replied. I'm listening. But I don't think you can afford what this place is really worth. The CEO paused. What do you mean? Daniel smiled. This farm isn't for sale. Unless you're ready to hear the real number. Subscribe me.